Hey guys, so welcome back to a new one. WhatsApp contacts or WhatsApp saved contacts are not showing. How to fix this problem? It's very simple. First of all, I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now guys, step 1, open your phone settings and then go to your WhatsApp and check if contacts permission is enabled or not. Just click on the WhatsApp icon, then go to the I button, and here you need to come permissions and should need to enable contacts permissions from here. Alright, click on the permission and you should need to check it's on the allow or don't allow. And step 2, open your WhatsApp and tap 3 dots. Okay, just click on WhatsApp, then you need to come your plus icon, then click on 3 dots and click on the refresh icon. Once you do that, your contacts will be shown at the bottom. And step 3, make sure your phone's Google account is syncing contacts. Go to account setting and then sync on. Also check if your contacts are saved with the correct country code, because WhatsApp won't recognize numbers without the correct country code. And finally, update WhatsApp to the latest version. Older versions often have this bug. Problem solved. Then like this video, drop a comment if it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more mobile tips and fix daily. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.